Caprese Stuffed Chicken. Ingredients: for boneless, skinless chicken breasts. For slices mozzarella cheese. For slices ripe tomatoes. Fresh basil leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil for drizzling. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Make a horizontal slit in each chicken breast to create a pocket for stuffing. Step 3. Season the inside of the pocket with salt and pepper. Step 4. Place a slice of mozzarella cheese, a slice of tomato, and a few fresh basil leaves inside each pocket. Step 5. Secure the openings with toothpicks to hold the stuffing in place. Step 6. Drizzle the chicken breasts with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Step 7. Place the stuffed chicken breasts on a baking sheet and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly.